Oh, what the fuck, man? Testing. Testing 1, 2. Testing 1, 2. Testing 1, 2. How are you? Testing 1, 2. How are you? Testing 1, 2. Testing 1, 2. How are you? Testing 1, 2. How are you? Testing 1, 2. This motherfucker. Testing, testing. Testing 1 2. How are you? Testing 1 2. How are you? Super Lou. Mr. Mac. D. Johnson. Come on, man. What's up with this? Testing 1 2. How are you? What's up? The waiting for on you last night about 9:15. We waited till about 11 o'clock. Trev. Uncle Philly was up late last night on the good Linux stuff. Thanks, bro. My bad, y'all. 1:30. Super Lou. Gentlemen, I'll make it up to you. Philly Cable Dave. I fell asleep, man. I got something for you, man. Everybody right there that was hanging out, waiting for Philly, I'm gonna make it up to you. Super Lou. Okay. Hey, John, you gotta do me a favor, Mr. Rodriguez. And Lou, you gotta make it happen, Lou. Next time you come into this show, you gotta have an icon where your alphabet is. That's a must. You gotta make that happen, or you will not be able to come to my live so you can watch from the background. John Rodriguez, you just seen me do it the other day. Oh, man, my bad. I see you asked that question in there. Hey, bruh, I got the 5 commands for it. Because that's all I'm going to use, 5 commands. And most of all, I ain't going to be doing a whole lot of typing. I can't type my name. All that? No, I can't be doing all that, man. Just copy and paste, bro. Mint. Linux Mint. I haven't tried that. How y'all doing, guys? Once again, it's PCD. I dropped the ball last night. But guess what? I'm here now. I'm here now. How are you guys? Gentlemen, how are you? I got 5 commands that I found online after reading it. Everything ain't gonna have a video. Linux ain't complicated, but everything ain't gonna be no video. I got you though, bro. Super Lou! I did that too, man. Let me show you some of the comments. Y'all was mad with me last night. D. Johnson. What time is Philly going on the show? 9 says 9:30. Then he came at me again. Android. Got him last night for all the time he said, don't let Android do me. I was dying laughing. That shit was funny. Just G chimed in. What's up, chat, Philly? I was on the floor when I seen this. He said, AI posted this. But I'll wait a little. But I'll wait for a little. That shit was funny, man. I was laughing. I ain't wake up to 1:30. Once again, PCD. The PCD team was hanging out for me last night. Sister Joan chimed in. Lady J! You must be asleep. You fell asleep. Yes, I did too. I was hurting. I ain't wake up to 1:30. I see all the people in my chat. Lady J chimed in. Hi, everyone. All in the chat. Just Philly pumped the accelerator. She chimed in again. And she threw a shot at me. She know I do late night. Maybe I check around 1 a.m. If he's up. That's my queen. To my man Trev. Uncle Philly got cold feet or what? Lord have mercy. I apologize, team. Trevor came again at me. Maybe he's sleeping. Was up late last night. Doing the prelims. Yeah. Then he killed me. He said, seemed like Philly plans to make an appearance. They know I'm late night. Make an appearance again. 1 a.m. Guys, I fell asleep. Then it was a hurt piece that really made me piss me off. I really got my drinky drink on. Let me fix my cam. Come on, open up. Who that, Philly? How are you guys? Charles Alexander. What's up, family? How you doing, man? I fell asleep, y'all. But anybody that was in that stream last night, roster, and wait for me to hang out. Trevor. Sister Joan, Lady J, Just G, Lou S, Nathan, Duncan, Edwin, Martinez. I'll make it up to y'all. Believe me, I got something for you, man. Barat, that's my joint. How are you guys? Just got finished watching the world famous NBA. New York Knicks, Philadelphia 76ers. We look tired, man. Oh man, we look tired. We look hurt. What's going on? How are you? Testing, 1, 2, how are you? Can y'all hear me? Hey, John, I seen that too. I was trying to work with that, but that was a little deep. You got to go in. Android Studio. Videos I seen like 2, 3, 4 years ago was using Android Studio. But WaveDroid is crazy. Thank you, CA, aka Charles Alexander. Got just one more of my cameras. I'm going. Don't work. Table cam. the table there. It's a mini PC, the one I hit on last night. And ladies and gentlemen, I've been cheating. Y'all. I ain't right. I want to put the end user on something, and I've been cheating. I'm executing content, showing you how to get things done, but I want to show you from the front door, from the beginning. Ladies and gentlemen, I was going to come at you like that with the pre-installed OS on the device and go in, but I'm going to show you from scratch. We're going to do this today. I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu on this mini PC, round one. Then I'm going to show you how you can cut the cord with it, the third-party apps. I'm going to show you how you can run Android APKs, but you seen a little teaser in my prelim. That's what we're going to do today. And once everything is on, I'm going to show you the whole package. And that's speculation there. This is how it started. Gentleman said you can't cut the cord with Linux. I'm going to show you, man, from start to finish. Install Linux onto this mini PC. For enough time and everybody hanging out, I will install WaveDroid. But John Rodriguez, I did that. I tried to go that route, Android Studio. It was crazy. There's a lot of work there. But, you know what I mean? That's the thing. I'm going to say this, too. A lot of people in that cord cutter community don't like to challenge themselves. I'm Philly Cable there. I do shit different over here. And I'm going to challenge myself with this thing called technology every time I get a chance. Everybody wants things easy, and that word, simplicity. Easy, simplicity. You got to put work in if you want to be at the table. I ain't scared of no open source software. And that's what the thing is. And most of all, what's it called? Free. Who don't want nothing free? I don't get it, man. I'm going to challenge myself and let you know this is my hobby. And I challenge myself in my hobby. This is what I do. This is my hobby. Lou, learn till you break it. I done fried many Android boxes, PCs, all that. Roster! What's up, bro? Yes, sir. Get at me, bro. But tomorrow night, I'm going to do the WaveDroid. Or I might do it today. Matter of fact, ladies and gentlemen, let's go to work, man. Let's go to work. The Mac. How are you, brother? How you doing, cousin? Family. Super Lou. We got to learn till you break it, man. That cord cut community, everybody wants something free. Before we start this cord cutting thing, it was a mission to get APKs on our Android device. With them MXQs. Wait, devices now so easy to put APKs on the side loader. Easy. But once this shit come, Vega, a different world. And what's that statement under the bottom? Learn a little bit about Linux. Now, so you'll know when that device come out, you know a little bit about it. Same thing here. I ain't say you can't cut the cord with no Linux. You can. I'm going to show you, man. Start to finish. I don't get it. Why are you scared to challenge yourself? What's wrong with change? Everybody locked into, man, come on, them devices are getting more and more expensive. That B-Link device, I nailed it. That new B-Link device, they keep pushing back. $299 and $399 for an ARM chip streaming device. Ladies and gentlemen, on this table here, That mini PC is a Ryzen 5, 16 cores. That B-League joint is 4 cores. That costs $399 max. They got a $299 joint. Guess what that Ryzen 5 costs? Let me tell you the model number. Lenovo 715Q. 16 gigs of RAM, Ryzen 5, 16 cores. And I'm going to install Ubuntu on it. Ain't a whole lot of rap. Make it happen. Challenge yourself. What's wrong with that? I don't wait till people tell me something. Yeah, you need to do it like that. Just stop that bullshit, man. I go under the hood of this shit. Y'all know my background in that Android. I don't play with this shit, man. It's open source software. Lady J. You wait till 4:30 a.m.? I seen that message there. Where that one at? Lady J. I see you throw that at me. Hey, everyone, how's the chat? Just tell Philly to pump the accelerator. And everybody got me with the same John. Maybe you check back around 1 a.m. That's my Lady J. She throwing shots at me. Lady J like me. She hang out late night. That's when I do my research. Rise in the building. I'm gonna burn it down, man. Ladies and gentlemen, some message from my last night chat. D. Johnson got me. To Android got to me. Trev got me. Just G hit me hard though. He said, AI posted my live stream. I was dying laughing. Lady J, but I got something for you. Anybody that was hanging out with me, Rasta TV, wait for me last night. Lady J, Just G, Joan, D. Johnson, Super Lewis, Edwin, I got something for y'all. That mini PC on the table. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm addicted to mini PCs. AMD Ryzen 5, Intel M900. These people right here that hung out in that stream last night, waiting for Philly, who fell asleep, will have an opportunity to win this. Them 7 people. I'm gonna do this first stream today and let y'all show you how to install Linux on here. Then tomorrow night, I'm doing Wave Droid, or I'll do it today, depends on how quick this install go. And I'm gonna ask them 7 people one question. Whoever put the answer in the chat, the quickest will win it. The correct answer in the chat will win this. Them 7 people. These 7 people. I appreciate y'all support. I gotta get back. Them comments was in the joint was funny. Trevor, I seen that. St. Lucia, Caribbean. Trevor, you see them? I like your comments, man. You did me last night, bro. Trev was like, yo, bro. Turn Just G off. He said, Lord have mercy. Seems like Philly gonna do 1 a.m. parents. Maybe he's sleeping. He was up very nice doing the prelims. That's my man. Trev, appreciate you, man, coming from the Caribbean. St. Lucia. Guys, I'm talking shit. I apologize last night, but them 7 people will have an opportunity to win this device. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go to the table. Oh, excuse me. First of all, what's that? What's that? It's my thing, man. Once again, PCD, let's go to work. Everybody in the chat, thanks for coming to hang out. On the table there, AMD Ryzen 5. Testing 1 2. Can y'all hear me now? Testing 1 2. Super Lou, we good. Testing 1 2. How are you? Testing. Fred. This guy's all talk. I'm done. Have a great one. Testing 1 2. How are you? Testing 1 2. Damn, this shit is loud. Testing 1 2. How are you? Testing 1 2. I'm good now. Let me go to the tube, man. No video. We refresh this. Thank you, Rasta. Testing 1 2. Yeah. J Mac, Super Lou. Charles Alexander. Kevin Williams, I don't know what's wrong. Ladies and gentlemen, my stupid ass reached for a keyboard to start this install and pulled my plug out of the Rodecaster Pro 2. We recovered, we here. Fred M got mad that quick. Damn, okay, I'm sorry. Do you? Testing 1 2. Music ain't too loud, is it? Skull Lister, what you say, bro? Nah, I've been on for a minute. Unplugged my goddamn Rodecaster. He said, it's on demand. He sent me a message. We supposed to link up and do something. Yeah. I like when Mr. On Demand. We used to bump heads. We gentlemen, man. I just want to, content creators, can we talk like gentlemen? Talk to gentlemen about technology? Cord cutting. That's what I do. I myself would love to see Wine installed phone on the go. Wine is old. Ladies and gentlemen, the information that I put in that show about installing Wine, I see where it was going when I answered that question about you cut the cord with Linux. And I told him 3 main apps. Jellyfin, MB, and Plex. But I seen how his response was. I'm like, okay, it's going like that. Boop, I dropped in there, Wine. You can start Android apps with that. If anybody, a tech person knows Wine, you can install on Linux. That's for Windows exe. I put that shit on there on purpose. Do your research. WaveDroid on Linux works. WaveDroid is the Android environment on Linux. Leave this keyboard over here. How many times I tell people when they come to my channel, I do shit different. I do things a little different. I don't get it, man. If you think for yourself, it's a problem. Not Philly, I'm gonna do me. That is a Linux Ubuntu. The tap on this mini PC. We log in. This is Linux Ubuntu. Make this a little bigger so I can see it. Go to the app drawer. I'm gonna go to settings. I got them right down here. Ubuntu 2204. But guess what? This updated through the software. As you see, Lenovo ThinkPad 715Q, 16 gigs of RAM, AMD graphics, Radeon graphic, Vega. And I'm gonna cut the cord with it. I'm gonna show you how, it was already cut, but I'm gonna show you from scratch. Let's go to the system. Linux. This thing has 8 cores. You see them right there. 16 gigs of memory. It's using 1.7. That's my network. Let's go to a browser. Start a new session. A CastOS. Let's do a speed test. Work with me, guys. I got 3 damn mouses over here. Yeah, get nice speeds. $800 down, 9 up. But I love the Linux environment. Ethernet cable. Take it out. Charge it. 2.5. Network adapter. Give me a USB port. Ethernet cap. Adapter into a USB port. On the back of this, network card, network cable, Ethernet cable. Back to the device. I'm still connected. Let's go to faster door speed test again with the adapter. Look at it now. Because ladies and gentlemen, I upgraded my internet to 2 gigahertz. That's 2,300 megabits per second. This is way better than an Android device. Let's take it back here on Google search. You see it. It just was 9 up, 8 up, 8 down. Just doing a little research, that's all. I look at shit different, that's all. I'm like this. Make this shit make sense. A $300 TV box? I ain't doing it. Where I know you can get hardware that costs less than $100. I can tell you how much it was. Put that Lenovo 715Q inside Amazon. I know it costs 3 times much where I got mine from. And y'all know I do the bag. But ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna shut the Ubuntu down to 715. Cause I think I've been cheating. I ain't showing people how to get shit done. Go to the power button here. I'm gonna shut it down. But I will do 128 gig Samsung SSD. This has Ubuntu on it, but guess what? That threw me through a loop. Ubuntu updated 2 days ago. So the version on this jump drive is 2 days old. And that threw a loop. That's one reason I was pissed off about my joint. But guess what? I'm gonna show you how to burn it on this one and install it on this device. Let's start from scratch. Take the power cord out. Leave the HDMI. Take the network cable out. It's cracking moving. In there now, SSD. Same one. I bought a couple of them because I be testing shit. Let's take this one out with Ubuntu on it. One screw. And if you open these Lenovos, you gotta watch that. That's the M.2 cable. Goes right there on the Wi-Fi card. We ain't using that. As you see, I took the old one out and put an empty SSD in here. And we're gonna install Ubuntu on this 128. Let's grab the screw. Screw it back down. Let's take the coat, put it back on it. I'm beat. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to my desktop, my computer, and I'm going to go get Ubuntu ISO and burn it to this drive. USB hub connect to my computer. Let's see if it show up. File Explorer. Ain't showing up, did it? Let's go see if it's in the device manager. Sorry, not the device manager. Let's go into the disk management. small thing. I got a B link over here. Let's see if it show up in there. And there it is, guys. Trying to see the screen. John Rodriguez said it's easier just to download it on Linux and then go to the portable drive. I understand that. All this dude's got an empty hard drive in there now. I just took the hard drive out. So I'm gonna download ISO on this V-Link and install it. Go to ISO empty. Let's go get Ubuntu. The download. This just came out yesterday, 6 gigs, 2 days ago. There's an ISO, I'm putting in the download folder, which is going straight there. Let's say about a minute. Soul searching. Thanks for hanging out, guys. What's going on? Sunday NBA playoffs. The ISO is downloading. Couple more minutes. Ultimate Streams, how are you? What's good, family? How you doing? Easier just to download on Linux than a portable drive. Morning. Well, it's all just asking. Yeah, I'm gonna go into that. Most people got PCs. They'll go get the ISO over there. Now that I got the ISO downloaded, we need something to burn into that USB that's plugged into the computer. You can use Belena Etcher or Rufus. I'm gonna use Rufus. Let's go get it. It's a software for burning ISOs to burning ISOs on the USB drive. Stay signed out. Let's go get the EXE. There's them ads. Put in downloads. It's already done. Let's open the folder. Let's open the app. Give it permissions. Do you wanna? Nah. Here we go. There's that 32. There's that 32 gig USB drive that's already inserted. Now I need to go get the ISO. There's the ISO, we just downloaded it. I'm gonna select it and hit open. Now it's in there. Ladies and gentlemen, all these settings right here, leave them by default. Now we're gonna burn this image to a USB drive so we can install it on a Lenovo 715Q. Started. Default. Hit yes. It's going to destroy everything known as USB drivers. Let you know that now. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have anything on that USB, please back it up. Hit OK. Guys, it's going to take a little bit. That's 6 gigs of an operating system, or as we say in the Linux world, distro. Ladies and gentlemen, how are you? I just want to start from scratch. Install Linux on this mini PC on a 128 SSD. Once you have it on there, we customize it, got all the updates. Then we'll install the Android environment. You can cut the cord with it. You can install regular apps and then them third-party apps. Sin, B, so you can cut the cord. I run servers in the Linux environment, more stable than Windows or Android boxes. That's me, my opinion. Back to the B-Link. It's still burning the guys about 5%. Take a minute. But by all means, thanks for hanging out. I'm doing this real time. But that's how I kept hearing. I'm sure we'll start to finish. Nobody don't like to do their research no more. Philly gonna show you. But the people that hung out with me last night, waiting for them in that live stream, I got you guys. My roster TV, Lady J, Just G, Jones, Sister Jones, D Johnson, Lake to the Junkin, Trevor Peters, Edwin. I thank you all. You have a chance to win that mini PC after we finish loading it up. After we load it up, let's go back to the B-Link. It's about 15% done. It's doing what it do. But thank you, team, for hanging out last night. Philly Cable Dave, I did fall asleep. Skull-lister, he said, my friend has trouble. Get out there. My friend has trouble formatting the Linux system all the time, but it's true, Philly. He has messed with it in years. Things done changed in the Linux world, man. All that code shit and typing and all that. You ain't gonna see me do a little bit of typing. To install this OS, you're gonna see me type a password. That's it. Set up a password. Linux ain't all that code typing shit no more. Commands and all. Linux ain't like that no more. Ain't no whole lot of typing. We doing this right now. Ain't no whole lot of typing. Copy and paste, family. I had problems in the drivers thing too, because I'm trying to get I got some nice video cards for my encoding for my Jellyfin, MB, or Plex servers that I set up, and I had problems with like the bigger high-end cards. 3050 drivers for Linux, a little funky. 3060 drivers, a little funky. I got a 1650 Ti and one of my big boy servers, no problem. You gotta do a little bit of command line. I just been lazy. But guess what? I challenged myself. I made it happen. Let's go back to the B link and see where we at. Still burning. I'm doing it real time. Ain't no editing and all that bullshit. I was gonna do that yesterday. I'm like, no, real time. I think about a gig a minute to write this. About 6 minutes. Turn your TV on, man. Watch some of the NBA third game, second game. Oh, just a little inquiry for my people that hung out last night. Most of these people in here I can trust. Where we at? About halfway through. Real time. The clapper. Chef Brian, let's do it. Yeah. Oh, and just a little side note. The people that hung out with me last night, 3 of them people I made, you are now moderators. Just G, you're a moderator on my channel. Help me with them trolls. Lady J, you're a moderator. Sister Joan, you are now a moderator. Help me with some of these people that dislike Philly. Y'all are now moderators. Just G, Lady J, Sister Joan, you're moderators. You able to go in the chat, anybody acting funky, you can dump them. Seeing them, send them, trash them. Back at the ranch. Back to the B link. Just hanging out on the Sunday, showing you how to do the what? Let's install bootable Linux because it updated 2 days ago. I don't want to get nobody no wrong information. If you don't know, it's on audio and video, Philly Cable Day. I do things a little different over here. Ryzen 5 2400 mini PC. We're getting there, 62%. Once you get to about 70, it speeds up. What? And because do things a little different over here, man. It's PCD. Help me out, guys. Some comments after the show, during the show. It's Philly. Open source software. I was there too to mod me and send me a PC. I ain't seen the list last night, bro. Smack that thumbs up, people. Super Lou, soon you fix that icon, I can help you out on the moderation thing, man. You gotta be verified. I gotta keep the channel more secure. Some clowns got in last time. I ain't having that no more. I'm a little different over here, guys. Why? It's about option and solutions. We was gonna do that last night, but I said, let me do this today. I get it, Ultimate Strange. I dropped the ball anyway, man. I fell goddamn asleep. Q in the building. How are you? Joe Lawrence from Alaska. How are you? You was cussing me out. My bad, bro. How you feel? Salute. Ultimate Stream said he was hanging out. Definitely wanted to be there. I get it. I dropped the ball, man. You listen to while you're driving. Be careful, man. JL. Joseph Lawrence. Let's go to the B-Link. We're getting there. See, I locked in on 82%. Big up to Alaska. In the building. Thank you for hanging out with us. Slow motion, man. Wanted to do that last night. Fell asleep. But I said, that's some, putting the cord cutters out of reach. I already had this stuff pre-installed. I'm installing it today. Ubuntu first, the Linux environment, because it updated 2 days ago, and then threw a wrench in there. The update software of Ubuntu is very nice now. The installer is a little different. You'll see that. Upcoming Vegas, this is where it started from. All we know that it's going to be based on Linux. So I'm telling people to get ready. Prepare yourself for Amazon Vega, that's all. If you learn how to do Linux now, you know how to get around that. Go under the hood of that new device. Simple, it's that simple. That shit all speculation, man. They put out a couple of briefings about the OS. They said just Vegas, Linux, that's it. And there's a certain type of Linux distros. It's all speculation, man. But one thing ain't speculation is you can cut the cord with a Linux environment. You seen me do it the other night, installing APKs. And let me emphasize this. I will not be installing no third-party movie apps. I ain't do that on your own time. I'm gonna show you how to do the foundation. If you choose them, put them third parties in there. I run media servers from Linux environment. And a whole other lot of things. I'm into this thing now. I don't want the device to do just streaming. In the Linux world, you can stream, you can block ads, VPNs, and offer, what's that word called? Free in the Linux environment. So that's what I've been on. The home lab thing. How long did it take, dawg? It's going done, y'all. Ladies and gentlemen, going to the table. I got the USB jump job. This was burnt on the B-Link. I'll take the USB jump drive and put in one of these ports on the Lenovo 715Q. I'm gonna boot it up and get into that boot menu, which is on the Lenovo M F12. Let's go to the device. We power it up. Put some internet on it. Oh, no power. There we go. Take your coat off. Can we get into this environment? Come on, capture card, play by the rules. Justin 1 2, how are you? Come on, capture, stop playing. Three. Let me refresh my capture. And as you see, no operating system found. I took the code off so I get to the power button. I still got the USB drive in here in my hand. Take the USB drive, put it in the USB port, and Control Alt Delete the PC. Let's go back to it. The Q7 Lenovo. Control Alt Delete. I'm on my keyboard on the F12 key, so we can boot to this USB. Looking for an operating system, which it has none. And there we are. We want to go and pick the UEFI, hit enter. It says try or install Linux. We're going to install it. Looking for the partitions. Everything is going through, checking the computer hardware out. And there we go. Let's get our install on. Capture card. Found the drivers. As you notice, it cleaned it up. tighten everything up. That's why I like the Linux environment. Like Mac, they got drivers just for about everything. They know it's connected to a Cam Pro HDMI capture card. There we are. We should get that install screen in a second because it's new. First time I'm installed the new version of Ubuntu. Preparing. This is the first time, ladies and gentlemen. This is my first time installing the new version that came out 2 days ago. I'm gonna go through it with y'all. But I'm pretty familiar with the concept of installing operating systems. I'm gonna select English. Check Joseph off. Go through all this. English. I'm gonna use the wire connection. Install Ubuntu or try it. We're gonna install it. Interactive installation. Let's interact. This is a new feature they got. Automated. You can just take 3 of these menus and have all the settings the same as one. All 3 installation. But we're gonna walk through this. Let's use the default settings. Install third-party and graphics. I need that. Wow, that's new. Give me that. Download and install support for additional media formats. I'm glad I went this route. Hey, John, there's one called AON, a knock, something like that. I believe I seen a video and some information, written information about that being installed on Arch Linux that you was talking about earlier. As you see, it's spinning down in the right here. Install Linux aside another partition. No. We're going to erase it and install Linux by itself. Let's give it a name. Super Dave. And as you know, it knows the hardware. Super Dave thinks on its M715Q. Let's put a password in there. This week, this is a test. Require password to log in. Yes. I'm gonna hit next. I'm close to that. I know Linux does New York, America. Next. Here's all my settings. Oh, this is nice. You know, it's a Samsung SSD. It's 128 gigs. We're gonna break it down to 2 partitions. The codecs and drivers are set. Let's install it. Guys, look at your watch. Let's see how long this take to install. Cause I got 5:48. I think it take about 5 or 6 minutes. But guess what? It's free software. It ain't Windows, but you need a key. It's free software. Open source. Linux environment. I don't know what's wrong with change, and then most of all, it's free and it's stable as shit. You'll see. Back to the box. All the applications you need: Spotify, Shortcut, Telegram, Nextcloud. Nextcloud is crazy. I'm starting to love that. All those who had them Google Drives, you get Nextcloud. It's free and your stuff is local. If you need to get to it, we got this software called Tailscale. You can connect to your computer from outside, anywhere around the world to get files, just like Google Drive. It's about research. Linux Mint. AON, Anox. It's another version of something like WaveDroid. Blender, Audacity, Kindle Live, good. Free video editing application. Kindle Live, they join nice. Oh yeah, and you can game on Linux. Experiences are right, as you see. Stream, Discord, OBS. Yeah, I'm doing OBS in the Linux world now too. Damn, my goddamn dog. Mr. On Demand, aka Mr. Computer. I sent you that message, man, so we can link up and do something, man. The fight is over. Fight with no Mr. On Demand no more. You grown as adults, man. I ain't fighting with nobody, man. How are you, sir? Mr. On Demand, I dropped the ball. I hit a stream last night. I was going to do, I fell asleep. Reason why I fell asleep, I got my drunky jerky on. Because Linux updated, and I was going to do a live stream. I hate giving people the bad information. So this is what I'm doing. I'm installing Linux on this mini PC. How are you, sir? On the table there, Lenovo, AMD, Ryzen 5, 16 gigs of DDR4, a little funky 128 SSD in there. And I'm installing the new, 48 hours old, the new Ubuntu Linux. 2404 is new. It just came out 48 hours ago. It was updated. Where we at? We're getting there. The install started at what time, ladies and gentlemen? 5:48. It's 4 minutes in. Good to see you, sir. Let's do the Linux thing from the front. Let's install it. Let's configure it, customize it. From there, I will show you how to do the WaveDroid with no typing. I can't type my name, let alone type commands. Just copy and paste, bro. Once again, PCD, we do shit a little different over here, man. Y'all know what I stand for. It's about options and solutions, man. We gotta do things different, man. There ain't one way to get shit done or cut the cord. Let me say it again. There's not one way to get shit done or cut the cord. Back at the table, man. It's about what? Open source software, man. It's Philly, man. Let's go back to the queue. 7:15 and guess what? We are done. Let's go check the time. It took 5 minutes to install this ISO Linux. Ready to go. Ladies and gentlemen, these next steps are important. So if you do this, look at the prompts on the screen. Back at it. restart, and you notice the jump job is still in the computer, you need to take that out. They're gonna tell you that. If you know it's still in there, you need to take it out, or you're gonna be starting from scratch again. Please remove the installation medium, then press enter. Check it out the USB drive, then press enter. The mini PC will restart, and we'll have the new 48-hour-old Linux environment. I'm gonna let it boot, see if it's gonna boot right to the SSD. If not, I go into BIOS and make it boot. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for hanging out with me. NBA Sunday. My Sixers were down. They looked lazy, tired. And B looked like he hurting, man. And there we are at the desktop, guys. The user right there is the what? Super day that we see me set up. Go select it, put this password in here. Take me to the desktop. In the building. The one and only, my 50-year-old friend, DJ Bird. Brother Hassan, aka Mr. Music. You say Rasta funny, man. Rasta be talking that smack, man. Rasta got shit under his nougat, man. Feeling my mentor, head of the table. Get this shit out. Rasta got shit with him. Lenovo M900, Rasta funny, man. Ladies and gentlemen, on the screen there. Welcome to Ubuntu 2404 LTS. What's it next? We're not going to do the pro, the support, couple hours, if you want that support, or you can just do your refurb. I want to send no information to them guys yet. Ladies and gentlemen. Uh-oh. There's the theme music. Time to go to work. How are you guys? Ladies and gentlemen, we just burnt the ISO to a USB drive, took it from the B-Link, put it in the mini PC, the Lenovo 715Q. We installed Ubuntu ISO on there, the operating system, the distro. Now it's time to configure for your liking. I'm gonna configure for Philly liking. It's about options and solutions. We gonna hit next. Oh, I like this, man. Man, everybody to the latest, bro, ain't got no apps. You crazy. And we're ready to go. Let's go to. Man, they got a new show our app button. Ooh, that's nice. Let's go to system. This is doing some stuff in the background, guys. Let's make this big so y'all can see it. As again, 8 cores. And look at them. It's not running nothing. The cores ain't doing that. Look how low it is. 1.3. Last time was 1.7. Network popping. Let's go to Close that again. My bad. New shit in the game. I like that new app drawer button. Let's go see. Let's see about this. As you see. That's the Lenovo 715Q, 16 gigs of RAM, 120 gigs of space. That's the name of it. But now let's customize this. First of all, I cannot stand this mouse like this, too small. I think it's appearance. Let's change the background. Ooh. Wow. Oh, we done jumped over it. Guys, I'm gonna go in. Let's go do WageWork real quick. We can do this another time. I'm gonna show you 5 goddamn commands to get into the WageWork environment. Q. Let me go find that. Gotta bring this mouse up, man. Forgot what the settings was. Accessibility, that's what it was. Damn, it's different. Where's that? See? There we are. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm with these settings with you. It's a little bigger. Let's go here. Matter of fact, let's go this route. I'm not gonna do WageWork tomorrow night. Let's go to a browser, do a speed test, and let's go get CastOS. Let's make it full. Free software. That's the agreement. You know how it is. Linux use Firefox. Let's do a speed test. Let's go to CastOS. Not speed, the movie. Let's go do a test. I just got gigabit cable going in there, no adapter, but I will take that. 9, 12, 14, 15. On the download. Ladies and gentlemen, over the last couple of 2 months or so, you see me installing this software called CastOS. It's a Docker container. No typing. Watch this. No typing. And this environment is crazy. Let's go go to the device, guys. In the search engine, I'm gonna go to a new window, and I'm gonna type in there Cancel OS. I'm gonna go to the GitHub page. If you need to learn this, this is what it's about. Running your own personal cloud. I'm gonna go to their GitHub page. I'm gonna stroll down, same information. And this what it say, quick setup CastOS. Am I gonna type this long shit? No, I'm gonna copy it. Ladies and gentlemen, just like Android has downloader in the Linux world, Mr. On Demand though, and a lot of people in the chat, it's called Terminal. Let's go to it. We just seen copy the, you see me just copy this command. I went to the app drawer, and I'm gonna open up this thing called Terminal. Hard, no, research, challenge yourself. You see me paste it right in there, right? I'm gonna hit enter. It's asking me for my password, but when I type it in there, you will not see nothing. It wanna know if you are the owner. As you see it being installed right into the Linux environment. This will take about 2 minutes, and most of our what's that word I keep saying? Free. It's doing its thing. Copy and paste, no typing. Hour 37 minutes in to the live stream. Thank y'all again for hanging out with me, guys. Appreciate y'all. If you want to learn something, come hang out with Philly, man. I mean, rough around the edges starting, but guess what? Once I'm in my lane, I'm in my lane. Oh, once I see Rico, it's another minute. And ladies and gentlemen, we are done. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to copy the IP address that they just gave me for this CastOS installation we just did, Docker container. And I'm going to copy it in the browser. And guess what's going to happen? You see it right there. 192.168.1.241. That is the local IP. Let me emphasize that, the local IP. I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna minimize it. Open up a browser. I'm gonna right click it, I'm gonna paste it. And go. Damn, what is that? That is CastOS. Welcome to the Cast. Let's create an account. Just my shot here, gotta have it. What's my name today? Super Dave. Let's make a password. What? Oh, this is my shot. Let's create an account. Right now. I'm gonna set these terms real quick. And ladies and gentlemen, Do you see what I see on that screen under a browser environment? And look at the system CPU status. The RAM is at 41%. And that will be coming down. Just like the GPU is down to what? 3%. Get an Android box to do that. You ain't gonna do it. Just option solutions, guys. I ain't trying to change no mind, man. Do you? This is a free software. We did 3 stages. Took a little while. Showed the environment of the Lenovo mini PC with the operating system that I had already on it. Then we installed, went and downloaded the new Linux, Ubuntu, 2 days old. We burned it to a USB drive. Then we installed it on this mini PC. In the Linux environment, I copied and paste. Would you see me type a password? Did you see me do a lot of commands? No. Back to the ranch. Cats OS. Yes, it is, brother. Kevin Williams. Android is Linux based at the end of the day. Why can't people remember that? We tell them all the time. I keep telling them. I've been doing some research. Most of these big boy companies out there, Microsoft, Amazon, Windows, Google, all use goddamn Linux software for their servers. In your phone, Google this. Google, how many servers you got? I got 90,000 in the United States alone. And that was a year ago. Just Google it. Hey Google, how many servers y'all have? You don't want no goddamn Windows. You don't want no Android. You want Linux, man. And you can lose Linux in the cut the cord. I put CastOS on it. I'm gonna show you what their app store look like. It's a friend of mine. I'm gonna put you down with. They created 3 other app stores that go with this one that they already had. Back at the ranch. 3%. Remember, still up there? Cause don't get it twisted. That's still Linux environment. We running this shit from a browser. That's the app store that comes with this. And what's that word called? Free. We got Jellyfish, Leonard, Photo Prism, AdGuard, crazy. Emby, Plex, Homebridge, Home Assistant. Home automation for free in your home. No Alexa, no Google. You can get a command your own name. You call it, you want your device to wake up, you can say, bootable, Mexico. You can name whatever you want. Do your research, man. Jellyfish and the Linux Fire, and the Linux environment is called Jellyfish. Mine OS. There's that Plex. There's Companion app. The Plex Companion app, if you have run a server, your clients can type in requests for movies. Crazy, man. That's what I love. Unify, WireGuard, voice track, transmission, and sonar. Let's go do something real quick. Jellyfish. This is my app now. It's my server. Let's install this. $16 and I'm bouncing. 144 minutes into this stream. For all those came in here, I really appreciate y'all. It's about option and solutions. And my team, hung out with me last night. I'm gonna have a drawing for y'all 7 people. Watch the TV. Trevor, Lou S, Just G, Joan, Lady J, D Johnson, Super Lou S, and my cousin, my man, Lathan Duncan. I got an M900, just like this one I got on the table. That's a Ryzen 5. That's an Intel i5. Thanks for hanging out with me last night. I'm gonna get into one of my 7 people that got down with me. Also, Just G, Sister Joan, Lady J, y'all now moderators on my channel. I'm going to clean that list out. There's a lot of people that I think is nefarious. We got Jellyfin installed in there. On the table there, in my hand, is a 12 terabyte external hard drive that I'm connected to this mini PC to set up a quick media server. We got 14 minutes. Let's make it happen. So I got a port. Just connected the hard drive to it. Give it a second to recognize it. Let's minimize this. And as you see right there, just recognize it. The media. Let's go back to the browser. That memory up there still hot. I don't know why. Probably need a restart, but I'm not gonna do that. Let's open up Jellyfin we just installed. Let's go next. Let me make myself a user. Again! Super Dave. Let's make a password. Let's go next. Not now. Ladies and gentlemen, when you set up a server, and hey, that's it. That's it, bro. John Rodriguez, that's it. And box. Hit next. When you set up a server, excuse me guys, when you set up a server, set it all the way up. Do not add nothing. If I go back, add something to the library, we're gonna have problems. Set the whole server up, because you gotta do this here, this next screen. The ports! Automatic remote access. And the ports. You're done, that quick. I gotta log back in. Super Dave. Let me hit the tab key. Not now. Let's go to the dashboard. Let's do some configurations. First of all, let's go get a plugin. Go to the category. Because I got an Apple TV. Infuse! Let's go get the plug-in. Boom, done. As I go up the list here, DLNA. I want my server to show up on my network. I'm enable it, and I'm gonna get to the user. Who is the user? Who's the boss? I'm the admin, Super Dave. And it's been saved. Let's go to general. No, user. Select the user. If I'm on my local network, I don't want to type no password in. I'm gonna do an easy pin. 5050. So if I'm on my local network, I ain't gotta use no password. Just use that pin. But I gotta select the user. No, I don't. Enable in-network sign-in with the easy pin. I'm thinking about Jellyfin. And guys, we go to the dashboard, and you see the server name? Let's change the server name to what? Lenovo Q. Let's put a twist on it. PCD. And I'm gonna save it. Ladies and gentlemen, quick configurations for the one and only Jellyfin server. But guess what? It's dead. Let's make it look good. I'll go to some settings over here. I'll go to display. Take it out of dark and make it blue radiance. I'm gonna save it. Bingo. Let's take it home. We got nothing in here though. Ladies and gentlemen, you need to restart this server. When you restart the server, it's gonna restart the whole mini PC. Let's restart the whole mini PC. I'm gonna close this. I'm in the Ubuntu environment. The browser's closed. Damn, this is new to me. What's this here? Okay. Screenshot? Damn, okay. Power button. Dark mode. Oh, my accessibilities. Come on, get out of here. Guys, this is the first time I installed the software myself. Let's restart it. Let's say 60 seconds. Now this AMD. Lawrence Williams, I was in the house last night. I pulled up with one of my PCs today. Last night you was on my shield. So are you 4 hours ahead? I think that was that live stream that was just sitting there. This is great for me. It's about 2:30 p.m. Damn, now I forgot launch. Alaska? Yeah. Shout out to Lawrence. Joseph! Lawrence. Appreciate you, man. Rodriguez, that's what it is, man. Anox, I seen that for the last couple of days. Trying to find different options. If Wage joined to work for you, is using another version of Linux, I'm using Ubuntu. That's what I like. It's one of the most popular, most used Linux distros. Let's log in again. Let's go set this server up. Give it a couple of seconds, everything is sit in. Hard drive showing up there. Let's open the browser. Let's go back to Casa OS. Docker container, which is free. And you notice it locked it right here for us. Let's log in, guys. My user was what? Super Dave. Put the pass in there. I'm back in Casa OS. And if you notice, ladies and gentlemen, as we did the restart, do you notice that memory came down? It was at 41 because it was doing stuff in the background. And the CPU is at what? 4%. Let's go to the files here. I gotta add something. There is the 12 terabyte UHD. We gotta get this media into the server. And the way you do this is make it shareable. I'm gonna copy the path. Close the window down, or you can open up another instant of Casa OS. Same instance. One there, one there. I need to go on the Jellyfin. Refresh it, make sure it's up to date. As you see the little buttons in there, and it say I'm good. Check for updates. Say I'm updated. Now I need to go to settings. I need to add a path for this media. I go to settings, URL, that's the ports. But right here is the volume. We need to add a volume to it. The 12 terabyte. I'm gonna hit add. And you notice it opened up a window here. I'm gonna right click and paste it in there. That is the path to the 12 terabyte. Both sides. And then, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna save it. And if it's correct, as you see, installing Jellyfin, if that closes up, everything is good. The path is okay. The path is okay with it. Say, look at the top. Jellyfin is okay. As you see, as it's doing that, you see the numbers are raised up because it's doing stuff in the background. Ladies and gentlemen, let's open up the server and add some media. Okay. Back to the server. Theme song. Marsh. Let's open up Jellyfin. Open right up. Let's go to dashboard and let's go add some media. Let's go to the library. Add something. You want to add some movies. MKV. So add some MKVs. Let's do this down here, right? Let's do this down here first. Preferred download language for the media. English. Where we live at? United States. Let's go ahead and folder. There's that 12 terabyte hard drive. Movies, MKBs. I'm gonna hit OK. I'm gonna leave all this default, guys. We can go into detail about that at another time. And it's when I add the media to this Jellyfin server. You want to see the percentages? You go to the dashboard and you see it right there, 73%. $75, but you ain't gotta wait. The stuff is already there. Is it playable? No, wait till I finish. Let's go back to the dashboard. So 79 is reading his data. What? Yeah. Once again, it's PCD. We do things what? A little different over here, man. It's about hoping what? Open source software, man. I'm back at the table, guys. How are you? Once again, Philly, back at the ranch. 87%. Guys, 2 hours and 1 minute. We got the server set up. I gotta go hit one of these devices, see if it highlight it. I got a video shield and an Apple TV on the table. Where the remotes? Damn, shield remote, where you at? It's at 93%. These APKs is reading all the metadata. Halfway to cutting the cord. Media server. Free. Linux environment. Let's go take it on home. It's 95%. It's about 80 movies. 50 minutes, 60 movies, whatever. Ain't gonna add a whole lot. Let's go to the dashboard, see if we finish. $95%. Got these things going on. Network ain't congested. I ain't gonna blame it on that. First time. Linux. I'll right click and refresh the server. Speed test. It's doing its best reading that metadata. Just getting half of that speed because it's a what? Reading that metadata from the what? Jellyfin server. 99.1. Let's go to Nova on the NVIDIA Shield and see if we pick up that server. Folder's empty. What? No, don't tell me that. That's for another day. Let me go up here in the settings and clear the data of Nova. Before I stop it, clear the data. But let's go to the Jellyfin client. Do we notice if there's anything on the network? Restart both of these. Ladies and gentlemen, I ain't gonna do that. Oh, 2 hours. I ain't doing no more than that. Once again, PCD. Thanks for hanging out with me. 2 hours of madness. Latest environment. Wasn't gonna go with that, but I wanted to show you something from beginning, so we went with that. Shows you the 715Q working with the previous operating system on it. It's a table cam. Still a table cam. Face it up. There we go, guys. 715Q mini PC on the table there. Started with the operating system on there, on that SSD. I took it out, took the jump drive, took it to another computer, burnt the ISO on it, took it, put it in this computer, installed it on that SSD. And that's the results. Free. Ubuntu environment, CastOS Docker. Let's go to the library. They've been banging me with this stuff. I say less. Alright, the pause button on. Oh, okay. I'm making that hard drive search. Let's go to the library. Let's check one. One, two, play. Jellyfin. Free. Lady J! The one and only Super Lou. Super Lou, fix the icon. You get down with me. I can make you mad, man. Lady J. Passionate. Confident. Lady J know what I stand for. PCD. I'm passionate. I'm confident. I'm gonna do it different, man. It's PCD. Thank you, Jay. Lady J. You know you're moderator now. If you look at your name in the chat, it's highlighted. It's highlighted, sister. Look at your blue. You're a moderator. You can help me with some of these people in the chat who dislike me or dislike what I do. I don't know why. I just do shit a little different, that's all. Lady J in the chat, thank you. My goddamn roster. My family, man. The mad scientist at great show again, thank you, man. Just do something different, man. I'm not saying I'm trying to get away from Android. What I'm saying is, there's different options out there. And this is a nice free one. It's free. A little bit of research, jump drive. You should be one jump drive. And ladies and gentlemen, you gotta say this. How much typing did you see me do? Type my password in? Did you see me type any commands in? Did I do any commands? I copied and pasted that shit. No typing. No typing. I don't know what Linux people be talking about. Ain't a whole lot of that shit no more. Ladies and gentlemen, y'all have a blessed evening. It's been PCD. Super Lou, thank you. Let me check something before I leave. In LA. Infuse. Come on, get out of here. There's the server. We'll get into that. It's one-on-one. Ultimate Streams. Skull. Hope you're doing all right, Philly. I'm doing all right, Skull. Listen. Please, how are you, man? Appreciate you coming through. Lawrence. I'm Joseph Lawrence. Why you do that to me? I'm gonna take a breather. I gotta work early tomorrow. But guess what? That environment that Linux meant, I'm gonna go grab it, install and see if I can do Wavejoy with it. Not tonight, but next couple of days, man. I got an email, getatphilly@gmail.com. Get at me, man. Because I challenge myself, man. I help the end user. Best of my ability. Thank you, Ultimate. Appreciate you, man. Charles Alexander. Thanks again. Appreciate everybody in the chat. Be safe and great week. You too, CA, aka Charles Alexander. The Linux environment. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna give you a teaser before I go. Wave Droid. I'm gonna set it on the desktop right now because I'm using the same PC. Oh, it fell open. Charles Stevens, how are you? At me, man, cause I got the information I wanted to give you, man. With Brother Sawyer, the dollar bill Sawyer, we getting it in. Man, was black. We was getting our clap on. Reach your subdue outside your home. Mount. What I got on there? I get it. Ladies and gentlemen, Philly Babbler. Much love, respect. I appreciate y'all. Stone started slow because I wanted to appreciate the people who waited for me last night. The team. They will be in the running for mini PC. I dumped the ball last. I fell asleep, man. Sister Joan, my Lady J, D Johnson, Lathan Duncan, Trevor Peter, Edwin, and the one and only Super Lou and Rodster GB. You have a blessed one. It's been PCD. Long show, guys. I get at y'all. Just PCC, I appreciate y'all. Appreciate your support. Have a great evening. Be safe out there. It's been PCD. Might see y'all tomorrow night. Hey, I think so. Tomorrow evening. Wave Droid.